Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to let others find you using your phone number on your accounts on Xtwitter, easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now click settings and privacy. Now click privacy and safety, and now click discoverability and contacts, and here you will find it. Let others find you using your phone number. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.